Welcome to this video. Welcome to my apple orchard out in my field. Today, I am going to show you how to make forever plant identification tags for your apple trees or any other kind of a tree that you plant. You want a tag that tells you when you planted and the variety you planted, and you could even put your name on there for future generations to see. And the plant tags I'm about to show you will last for generations. I see no reason why they won't, and you'll see what I mean. The idea that I'm about to show you comes from this book, the Planet Whiz Bang Idea Book for Gardeners, which is a book that I wrote, that I produced. And the idea comes from a 1869 edition of the Cultivator and Country Gentleman newspaper. I have a lot of those old issues, read through them looking for old ideas, and this one was in there. Not exactly, but the germ of this idea was in that over 100 years old, it'd be 130, 150, over 150 years old, right? So, yeah, let me show you the idea. Okay, so here are the plant tags. As I stated, this is 2022. I planted this orchard in 2013, and I am just now putting plant tags on. But I made these plant tags shortly after planting these trees. Only now, 9 years later, am I about to put them on the trees. That's the way my life goes sometimes, you know. Eventually I get to things. God willing, eventually I get to things. But these have been around for all this time. And now I'm getting out here. The good part is I'm going to show these to you, and you're going to be able to know how to make these. You don't even have to buy my book. You're going to get the idea from, but you will want to buy the book when you see these up close and how nice they work. The intelligent idea behind these, because there's other intelligent ideas, great ideas in the book, and great ideas make great gardeners. That's my little saying. Now, I know where these tags go on these trees because I made a little map, and hopefully you can see that. 9 years ago I made this little map, and you'll notice that these trees are planted in semicircles. I put a pin up there, I stretched out a rope, and I swung it around like a compass, and I plotted where these go. These are full-size trees, they aren't dwarfs. They're going to get big, and I wanted to give them lots of room. And I thought, gee, a semicircle's neat. You know, the house will be down there, we'll have this semicircle of orchard up here. Anyway, let me show you these tags that I made so long ago. And yeah, get out my vintage Boy Scout knife. Let me show you that. I bought that at a garage sale last summer for $1. I had one like that when I was a kid, so I had to buy it. How much you want for this knife? $1. I'll take that. All right, here's the, okay, here's an individual tag. It's made out of a triangle, a long, like a pennant shaped piece of aluminum flashing. You see that? It's probably 12 inches long. 9, 10, 12 inches long. And I have used letter punches and a hammer on the aluminum to put the name. Hopefully you can see that. Black Oxford is the tree. Black Oxford is the variety. And then you'll see letters down here. See, I don't have a number punch, so I had to use letters. I had to get creative here. B-O-A-C. B is 2, A-B, 2, O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, O is O. O is 0. All right. A is 1, and then C is ABC, 1, 2, 3. I hope I've explained that well to you. B-O-A-C, B0AC, 2013, the year I planted them. And I put my name on there. Hopefully you can see that, H.C. Kimball. All right, and then I curled it up like that, You see that? Get the idea? I'm going to put this on a branch on the tree. It's going to stay there. It's going to flop around, but it's going to stay there. It's not going to damage the tree, and it's going to expand with the branch. And it can be taken off and put on other branches pretty easily. Yeah, so I'm going to put it on the tree right now. Watch me. Let me see. Decisions, decisions. I'm going to put it right there. Right there. There we go. Get back in view here. That's it. That's it. I'll find a link, an Amazon link to one of these letter punch sets. If you're not familiar with them, they're inexpensive. They're cheap, and aluminum flashing is cheap. I hope you have learned something new and useful, and if so, give me a thumbs up. And that's it. I got my work to do. Won't take me long, but it's a beautiful day out here, even though it's overcast, and it's still a beautiful day out in my field. It's always a beautiful day in my field. You know how that is, maybe, if you have a field too. All right, enough. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.